and welcome back to NoBlandMakeup, where we do makeup and body paint tutorials, usually with a cosplay twist. And today I'm going to be showing you how to do that thing that I keep mentioning in all my makeup videos, winged eyeliner. I'm going to show you how to do it, and it's easy and it's quick, and I will show you on one eye in real time, so you can see that it's actually not as hard as it looks. So first thing you want to do is the rest of your eye makeup. You're going to need eyeliner. You can either use a pencil, a pen, liquid one like this. They also have the liquid ones in the little pots. You could also use a water activated one like this, or a cream one. For ones that come in a pot though, you are going to need some brushes. And somehow this explanation works with what's going on the screen. Yay! So to start off, I wouldn't use tape. If you want a flat edge to do your eyeliner with, I would use a piece of paper, a business card, something like that. It will promote no wrinkles. Or if you don't want to do that, you can always do little dots to kind of figure out where you want your eyeliner to go. I always start with the bottom line, just so I know kind of where my eyeliner is going, and then draw little dots going towards your eye, and you can just connect the dots from there. If you have more hooded eyes, you definitely want to make sure that you check in the mirror so you can see how much of the wing is actually going to be showing. So depending on your eye shape, you might need to go a little bit lower. You don't want to angle your wing down though, because that will make your eyes look droopy and sad, and we're not trying to do that today. And then once you have your dots in, you can use your flat edge to draw that line, or you can freehand just connecting the dots. If you are an eyeliner vet like me, you don't necessarily have to do that, but to be honest, it was actually a lot easier not having to worry about my eyeliner going places I didn't want it to. And then you just connect the eyeliner to the rest of your eye. So basically just like follow your eye shape and then just color it in. Now, like I said, if you have more hooded eyes, make sure that you're looking straight ahead in a mirror, so that way you can see where your eyeliner is going to be in reference to the fold of the eye, the hooded part. It won't necessarily go straight across like this. You might have to do kind of like a draw your wing in and then leave a little gap, which it'll look kind of funky if you have your eye open, but I kind of like funky. I don't know if that made any sense, but yeah, basically draw a triangle, color it in, and connect it to the rest of your eye. And that is how you do winged eyeliner. I added some mascara and lashes and whatever, but this is pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. I hope it made a little bit of sense, and I hope that your winged eyeliner journey goes a little bit smoother now, especially now that I have a video to reference to. I will see you guys next time, and yeah, let me know what else you want to see in the comments down below. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!